Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you some items that I got from a company called Vipcrossstitch.com. They sell cross-stitch items, and they sent me this. It's called beeswax, and I think it's to pull your thread through so it goes easier through the needle and that kind of thing. I believe that's what it is. Let me see. I can't read what this says, but yeah, that's what it shows. So crossstitch.com, and let me put this one down here. This is a 17 by 17 centimeters, and these are I would call these lilies. It says the flower of happiness. So that's what that is. It's cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, and instructions. And it comes in a nice bag like this, so you can keep your projects nice, and you can, there's a window there, you can see what it is. So it comes with this, how it will look, and then it comes with the picture of what, what threads go where, the symbols and all of that. And it comes with the thread. Is it called thread? Cotton thread, yes. So that's this. And then it comes with the 2 needles right here. Look at how nicely it's, separated and everything. Very nice. And then this is the actual cross stitch. So the colors are nice and bright where you're supposed to put your thread. And yeah, this is going to be gorgeous, like for a journal cover, and I wanted them smaller for a journal cover. So that is that one. Then I'll go into the next one, which is gorgeous here. Look at this. It is beautiful. And it is also a 17 by 17. Excuse me. Here is the picture. And we have our, I feel it, numbers here, like that. And then this is the actual cross stitch pattern. And once you're done, I think you can cut it out here like this. I think that's how it works. Very nice. I think that is going to be so fun. And then here is the thread. Beautiful, beautiful. I love that. And I've also got 2 needles there. So that is that. And here is our beautiful bag to collect everything. And they're sturdy bags. They're nice and sturdy. They're not flimsy at all. So we will put that in here. I'll just put that here for now. And then I have one more here, and it is the lighthouse. Look how beautiful that is. And it is a 22 by 30. So let's grab everything out of here. Put our bag here. So this is the picture of it. And then this is the instructions, like that. And here's some more. Oh, they did it on front and back here. Oh, very nice. This is beautiful. And very nicely labeled. And then here is the thread. This is a big one. Look at all this thread here. Lots of beautiful thread. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And also there's 2 needles there, so I've got lots of needles. And then this is the actual cotton that I'll be sewing on. So gorgeous. I love this. This is going to be beautiful. So that is from Vipcrossstitch.com. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to do these projects. I'm going to have so much fun doing them. And I will link all these products down below so you can go check it out. And there is a coupon code for you to use there, so make sure you use that so you get some, save some money. And that always helps, right? So thank you so much for watching. And go take a look at what Vipcrossstitch.com has for you. God bless. Bye.